Do you need a cosmetic dental treatment? It's just a simple question. But answer can be yes, can be no. And dentists will hate me for saying this. And yes, I'm quoting this. Not everyone need a cosmetic correction of a tooth. Not everyone need a smile designing. It's all depends on the persona, personality, job requirement, and the personal well-being of that patient. He is looking for this or not. So dental treatments should always be completely patient driven and solution driven, not the pushy treatment. You don't need to fix what someone calls imperfect. You only need to fix the things which is holding you back and which is a hurdle in your group. So per se, smile is a personalized thing for every person, and if he or she is going for any kind of cosmetic correction just for the imperfectness which was derived by other but not by yourself, so yes, you are not the right person for taking the decision for the smile enhancement or smile correction treatments. Here I am showing you one picture on the right hand side of the screen. What do you think? What is missing? It is very evident. This patients with a happy family have front tooth missing, which is very prominent. And it is the first expression on you once you have focused on that image. But you can also notice a whole eyebrow is missing. So point is, tooth makes a very big impact of our face. They are a vital component of man, women, anyone's beauty. So yes, they hold value. Modern dentistry doesn't sell beauty. It restores what you have lost over the years. It restores the function. It restores the aesthetic. It restores the confidence. It restores the life values and standards. But yes, it does not harm the tooth. Modern dentistry is all about the space between the orofacial system and your lifestyle, along with a long-term impact on your personality. Now coming back to our core question, do you really need a cosmetic dental treatment? I mentioned already, answer may be yes, answer may be no. Here I am giving you few points. If you are someone like who is hesitant to take selfies, who is hesitant to lead ahead in the group for group photos or some communications, and you are someone who is thinking ki my smile, some gaps, some crooked teeth, some teeth which are not aligned, which is holding me back, so yes, you can consider cosmetic dental treatment. But if you are someone who is completely okay with the life who you are, and you have just been told to get it corrected, so yes, you are not the one who should consider for the cosmetic dental treatment. Cosmetic dental treatment are the just treatment to upgrade the facial aesthetic to the next level. But happiness is all about from how you feel inside. If you are feeling great with your slightly misaligned teeth here and there, believe me, you are beautiful. Nothing to worry. Here I am showing you few examples how the smile correction, a simple cosmetic treatment, may be in the form of invisible braces, Invisalign, veneers, crown, and any kind of smile correction have changed the persona of that person to an average person, to a person who is fully confident and like ready for the pictures and media. So these few examples are Ronaldo. These few examples are Tom Cruise. Recently, Janvi Kapoor. There are so many people who are in the showbiz business. They have transformed their smile from something else to something wow. So these are the results of cosmetic corrections of the teeth. Here I am again emphasizing, cosmetic treatments are just not about looking beautiful in front of camera or Instagram. It's all about the perfecting the teeth in such a way the physiological harmony of your orofacial structure is maintained. At the same time, your teeth are disease free. If these two combinations are meeting at the harmonious point, yes, that will be a good cosmetic correction for your teeth. So the question is, when cosmetic dentistry is truly needed? First, accidents, congenital abnormalities, severe discoloration of teeth, severe misalignment, any psychological self-esteem driven problems, or any kind of cosmetic corrections which are needed for your profession. That's it. Now we will talk about the most sensitive topic, veneers. Whole world is crazy about Venus. Recently, one celeb has got under a transformation. I'll show you her pictures before and after. She is Kusha Kapila. She has underwent for Invisalign followed by the Venus. So what veneers do? Veneers are not for everyone. In the process of veneers, your doctor are slightly reducing a tooth on the enamel structure, hardly 0.25 millimeter. It is quite small and good for correction as well. But yes, you need a strong base of teeth if you are opting for veneers or crown. If you do not have a strong base of teeth, so yes, veneers are not for you. All the cosmetic treatment options we have discussed, yes, these are naturally looking. These are fabulous, fantastic, and make you look definitely good. But yes, I have talked about all the consequences and limitations as well. So think twice before opting for anything, and feel free to discuss with your doctor your personal goals first, so an experienced doctor can take a decision for yourself. Yes, ma'am, or yes, sir. For you, the braces will be a good choice, Invisalign will be a good choice, or veneers or crowns. Here I am sharing you a tentative timeline for few of the famous treatments. First, if you are looking for veneers, veneers will take around 5 to 7 working days, more than enough for a good veneer treatment and smile enhancement. If you're going for a crown, it's same. Veneers crown will take around 5 to 7 days. Within a week, these treatments can be done if root canals are involved. So yes, again, one or two there plus minus according to the expertise of the dentist. If you are looking for Invisalign or invisible braces therapy, invisible aligner therapy, they might take from 4 months to 20 months as per the patient's need, as per the malocclusion involved. Here all the timelines I am sharing, just a tentative timeline according to the patient, but these are not fixed timelines. Sometimes braces takes more than 3 years, 4 years as well. So yes, time is important. So according to the time involved, you need to take decisions. Now we will talk about the emotional side of all the cosmetic treatment. As I have mentioned already, if cosmetic treatments are done with a precision, plan, everything, they are fabulous, they are life-changing. But the emotional burden is different. Every cosmetic treatment comes with certain consequences and limitations. If you are having any kind of cosmetic processes in the mouth, so you need to be very avid about your oral hygiene. You cannot just allow yourself for munching every time of the day. No. Cleaning play an important role in hygiene, and that is very much necessary. 2 years ago, a 24-year-old lady came to the clinic around 8:30 at the night. We were just closing, and she had a wedding just 2 days after. So she was just coming to the clinic 1 day prior. Complaint was she has already taken the treatment of smile correction in the form of veneers. Her complaint was two of the front veneer popped out, and she was in tears. 2 दिन में शादी है, how will I do it? I am looking bad. And these kind of key moments in life, you need to be very cautious. So yes, I have fixed the veneers. Unfortunately, veneers was not done very great. So I told her, be relaxed, take care for 2-3 days, let this shadi phase go over, and we'll do it again. So whenever you are going for any kind of cosmetic correction in the form of veneers and crowns, you need to find a very credible practice who have hundred of patients already just like you, because they are experienced enough to deliver what you want. Don't go for any kind of online ads, don't go for any kind of things and social media influencers talking about the veneers and all. No, you need to find a good doctor, good dentist and a clinic who can support you in such kind of times that is necessary. When you are going for any kind of dental treatment, maybe you have a tooth pain. So first focus on your tooth pain. If a doctor is advising you after the treatment, this kind of correction will be good for you and this can be done so and so, please take your time, because this was the not primary complaint you have visited to the clinic for. If you have the complaint, yes doctor, I have gaps, yes doctor, I have teeth just slightly aage piche, I want to get it corrected. So yes, you are in that mindset to take the treatment. If the treatments are given to you and you had no idea about it and they are not adding value to your physiology and function, it's better to wait. There is no harm, but it's always better to wait. Think about it. Yes, do I really need to take such kind of treatment? Yes, they are life changing, but it will come along with certain consequences and limitations. Still wondering if you need a cosmetic correction of teeth? So yes, here you can come to the one of the best dental clinic in Navi Mumbai, Loma Dental, where you can go for a pressure-free consultation. Here we focus on who you are, not what kind of smile like a celebrity you want. We are looking for a personalized correction according to your persona and goals, not some copycat dentistry. So yes, we are here transforming lives by understanding you, not by selling something which you are not looking for.